The Tortoise and the Hare. Once upon a time, there was a speedy hare who was very proud of how fast he could run. He often boasted to the other animals about how no one could ever beat him in a race. One day, the tortoise, slow and steady, got tired of hearing the hare's bragging. He calmly challenged the hare to a race. The hare, confident that he would win easily, laughed at the tortoise and agreed to the race. The race was set, and all the animals gathered to watch. At the start of the race, the hare took off in a flash, leaving the tortoise far behind. Confident that he had plenty of time, the hare decided to take a nap. Meanwhile, the tortoise kept moving at a slow and steady pace, never stopping. As time passed, the hare slept soundly, while the tortoise kept advancing. Eventually, the hare woke up and saw the tortoise almost at the finish line. He tried to catch up, but it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line first. The animals cheered, and the tortoise said, "Slow but steady wins the race." Moral of the story: the story teaches that consistency and perseverance can lead to success, even if others may be faster or more skilled. It reminds us that rushing and overconfidence can lead to failure, while steady progress often wins in the end.